Algebraic basics and definitions. The variables which we use x, y, z or ABC are called variables. Okay, any alphabets are variables here, and constants, the numbers we are using 3, -5, 10, plus, minus are called constants. So when we combine variables and constants, we will get an algebraic expression. So suppose we have here 2a minus 5. So this is our algebraic expression. Now how to get the terms of algebraic expressions? The terms are always separated by plus. So here 2a minus 5. So we have the terms as 2a and minus 5. Okay. The terms with same variables are called like terms, and the terms with different variables are called unlike terms. So here we have 2x minus x. These terms which are having same x are called like terms, and we have 3x, 2y, 4x, 3c. These will be our unlike terms. BODMAS explanation. So BODMAS is bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first we have to solve brackets. Brackets means square bracket, curly bracket, round bracket. Every bracket has the first priority. Then order. Okay. Then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay. We have to follow this order every time while doing the simplification problems. Now let's see some examples based on BODMAS. So the first question is, here we have 10 plus 5 minus 3. So according to BODMAS, we have to solve addition first and then subtraction. So we will do in step 1, 10 plus 5 is 15, then 15 minus 3 is 12. So question number 1, our answer is 12. Next see, question number 2, simplify 20 minus 8 minus 3. So first we have to do subtraction. Okay, but we will solve from left to right. So we will do 20 minus 8 first. 20 minus 8 is 12. Then it will become 12 minus 4. So in step 2 we will solve 12 minus 2, which is 12 minus 4, which is 8. So our answer will be 8. Let's see the question number 3. Simplify 2 multiply by 4 plus 6. So according to BODMAS, we have to solve the bracket first. So we will solve here 4 plus 6. So it will become 10. So the expression will be 2 times 10. Then we have only multiplication. So it will become 2 times 10 is 20. So our answer will be 20. Let's see the expression number 4. It is 3 plus 4 multiplied by 2. According to BODMAS, we have to multiply first. Before addition, we have to do multiplication. So our first expressions will be, we'll solve 4 multiplied by 2 first. So it will become 3 plus 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So it will become 3 plus 8. And then we will solve 3 plus 8, which will be 11. So our correct answer will be 11 here. I hope you understand this concept. I have one more complicated problem solved here. I hope you all will understood it and concept will be cleared. So do subscribe my channel for more maths videos and to clarify your concepts. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.